Hey everyone, I'm Stephanie Wild and today I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the new Phox V2. I don't know if you guys remember, but last year I filmed a review video on the Phox V1. We wanted to switch over from buying single-use plastic water bottles in our office over to a filtered water alternative, and that was the Phox V1. Obviously, we still had the problem of getting rid of the plastic water filter, which would ultimately end up in landfill. So, over the past couple of years, Phox have been working on the Phox V2, which is a refillable filter, eliminating plastic filters, so it's awesome. I actually went up to London and tested out the Phox V2 in its first stages, so it's super exciting for me to have it here with me today. So let's have a look inside the box. The refill pack, instruction manual, and the jug. So, the jug is made out of BPA-free plastic and glass. My chosen refill pack is the Alkaline refill pack. It not only cleans the water, but it adds electrolytes back into the water as well. There is another refill pack called the Clean Pack, which just cleans your water, it doesn't add anything else back into it. So while that's soaking, I just wanted to tell you a couple of things about the refill packs. They're small enough to fit through your letterbox, so you don't have to wait in for any deliveries. Another cool thing is that you could sign up for a year's subscription, so you don't have to remember to order them every couple of months. And you'll also get a pack for free. And let's give it a try. Now that is actually a lot different to the water that we have here. We have quite hard water, and sometimes it even tastes like swimming pools. It's really not very nice. So this water just tastes clean and fresh, and it is really nice. So final thoughts, super easy to set up and use, didn't have any problems with setup. Obviously, as I said before, love the taste of the water, makes a huge difference to our horrible hard water here. Love that it's refillable. Literally hated throwing out cartridges every month, so that makes a huge difference for me to have that refillable option now. But if you do have any questions, the Phox team are super lovely, so I'm sure any questions you have, they'd be happy to answer them. So yeah, I hope you get to experience the V2, and I'll see you guys soon.